Mahal ng binayan, kulang yung ilaw.
Liit, di abot eh. Liit, di abot eh. Hanap si Ala.
Ikay, tanginang yan, hindi na tumakay sa mama. Ano ba sakit mo? Taas mo? May gamot yan ah. Nakakakabay niya yung natin sa tubig. Kasi kasama mo ganyan eh, kung naglalaro, may baho na isang mineral na gano'n. Ano ginagawa niya? May ginagawa ko eh. So, potassium. Wala mo eh. Simula alas 10. May gin eh. Alas 4. Pero palis ako ng susunod na.
Nice battle, our referee. Okay, then we'll Open Basketball League here at Barangay West Cramek.
From both team. Okay, first game natin, Jaguar Basketball versus the Brusco Brothers or Brusco Bros. Good luck from both teams.
Good luck.
Baka na.
Okay, sandali lang. This game officiated by Naro referees.
Hindi, tama na ka ng sigarilyo.
Good luck mga idol. Isa na namang basketball game ang ating masasaksihan dito sa Barangay West Cramek. Open court at Ali 2. Yan, shoutout po sa lahat ng ating mga sponsor.
Coverage po natin, Mr. Jack Paulo.
Ayan, thank you po.
Of Barangay Santa Lucia.
Thank you, Coach. This is your Ali 2 Basketball Open League Season 1.
Okay, welcome to the first game between Jaguars and Brusco Brothers, Suncap, Campiana! Ito po ang ating bagbakan sa Ali 2 Open Basketball League first season.
Wala ka, sir. Roy, buha ko pa natin, Roy. Hindi mo ba si Stephen yung binayan?
Let the battle begin.
Red, dito sir ah.
First ball mo makuha ng the team Bruscos. Miss.
Rebound by Bata. O, eto na. Chidoro. Jaguar sends away to foul.
Abadesa, drive.
Big
Rejection.
11 seconds to shoot.
11-second shot clock
11
to shoot.
seconds to shoot. 45.
What an exit pass. Banga. Marquez. Sorry, that's a 2 points for Joseph Marquez.
And number 1 set to play. Big man, number 10.
Jonah, cross,
Full of
stop
J.
and pump, no good.
Out that pass too.
Chodoro for 3, miss.
And number 10, the big man, number 1. Ganda ng pasa to, si Lali. Chupa!
Easy 2 points. Tabla tayo.
Okay, running score natin is all good. Banga. Jaguar 45. Banga from the downtown. Tushka. Okay, of course, magandang gabi sa ating barangay. West Kwame. To the plate.
Joni,
At back to basket. And number 69.
kick out for 3. Yes, sir.
3.
For Bruscos.
Marquez.
Babawi at may sagot si Marquez. Tabla tayo.
And number 1 set to play.
Kick out. And stepping on the line.
Running score is all 5. And number 45. And there's the whistle of foul number. Foul number 24. First personal foul. First foul.
On the free throw area, Vladimir
Shooting 2.
Jaguar. Arep. Thank you. First shot is good for Vladimir.
Second shot. Bakal naman. And then number 1 set to play. 69.
Cross court.
Oh.
Jonah.
Guarded by Bama. 11 seconds to shoot.
Boss rep. Sorry, rep. Thank you. No.
A rebound by the big man. Foul.
Abadesa and steal. Steal by Marquez. Outlet pass. Banga. Basket. For Banga.
Number 1, sa ilalim.
Jonah.
Ito ito, 24. Ano nangyari? And there's the whistle. Foul number 17.
Foul number 17.
Second team fouls. Ten seconds to shoot. Long
4-3. No good. Rebound.
Marquez.
Marquez, cross-court pass.
Number 45, big back number.
There's a foul.
Number 10.
Number 10.
Marquez from the downtown. Three.
Marquez, 4-3. 11-5 in favor of the Jaguar basketball. Babawi. No good. Rebound by Abadesa. Paulo to Marquez. Crossover. Marquez. There's a foul.
Nawala yung bola kay Marquez.
Oh, correction eh. Out of bounds.
Okay na. And then number number 1 sends the play through the big man 10.
No good.
Marquez, outlet pass to number 12. Akin na to. Yes, sir.
Basket. Official score is 13-5 in favor of the Jaguar basketball.
Sa ilalim.
And
there's a
one.
foul. Basket. Foul number
Foul
17.
number 17.
Number 17 committed. Second.
That's Paolo Abadesa. Time remaining 5 minutes and 37
Number
seconds.
17 committed. Second personal foul and a body shot on 19.
One shot.
Mahal.
Miss. Rebound ng Jaguar.
Santos in the lead.
Oopsie.
Sobre.
Pass.
Ayun mo na si Marquez. And number 7 in front of the ball. At the record, 2 fouls. Number 12.
Tay-Tay for 3. 3 point for Tay-Tay at Chidoro.
Okay, ito yun. Sige, running score natin, 16-7. Lamang na rito ang Jaguars basketball.
Kick out. Wide open 3. Miss. Out of bounds.
Santos 2. The Sky
Banga.
Warriors ay Pagbanga to number 17.
Paso Abadesa. Too strong. Rebound. Pass to Jonah. Side step. Oh! What a move! For Jonah. Ang Kobe ng Pinas. Nagpapakitang gilas na sa ating liga. Chodoro. Stop and pump. Using the glass. Basket is good. 48-8 Chodoro. Balik sa 9 ang lamang ng Jaguar basketball. Babawi. No good.
Rebound number 3.
Banga floater. Basket is good. For Banga. 29 in favor pa rin sa Jaguar. Number 1. Hesi. Binigay sa corner. Fake. Jonah. Kick out. Wide open for 3. Miss. Rebound by Paolo Abadesa to number 12.
Lazaro.
Oh, Lazaro with a layup. 22-9 in favor pa rin sa Jaguar. Oopsie, there's a foul for Santos.
Second team fouls.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 25 seconds ng ating first period.
Tapos lang po yung mga timeouts natin. Now 69. 24.
Jonah. Oh,
It's a travel.
and that's a travel. Bola rito ng Jaguar. Santos.
Okay na kay Santos. Zilba.
Back to Santos. Cross-court pass. Lazaro wide open. No good. Rebound ng Brusco Brothers. Kick out. Kick out again. Jonah for 3. Short.
Ay, ulit. The big man number 10. Ako, nawala.
Bad pass. Steal. Stop and pump. Miss. Rebound. Makuha ng Jaguar.
Jaguar.
Ayan na. Ores Silva. Pass to Santos. With an easy two. Unselfish play para sa Jaguar basketball. 24-9.
Number 1.
Pass to Jonah. Jonah Hesse.
Maraming salamat kay Boss Gacho de la Cruz.
Oops. But there's a foul.
Number 91.
91.
First personal foul. And a 14 foul. Swarming for penalty. Jaguars.
Good defense for Silva.
Lazaro.
What an extra pass for number 7. Time out muna rito ang Brusco Brothers.
Running score. 26-19. Lumobo na. Ay, 19 correction.
9.
Ang lakas ng vision ko ah. Okay, muli po, isang magandang Barangay West Rame. Welcome to the Alidu Open Basketball League.
Time remaining 1 minute and 59 seconds in favor of the Jaguar basketball.
Remaining time, 1 minute 59 seconds left. Long three. Yes,
Bam!
Stop na ng press. Number 12 away. Kick ball.
And that's a kick ball.
12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. A big tap.
Wow!
Okay, then number 12 down the ball. Silva. 91. Stolen
pass.
of Brusco Brothers. Number 2 from the downtown. Too
So
strong.
good.
Silva. Black. Sable. 15 seconds to shoot.
Time remaining last 48 seconds.
And a long three on number 7. Yes, sir.
3.
Jaguar 3. Ayamba. And great one from the downtown.
Pumawi
Three.
doon ang Brusco Brothers. 29-17. Last 26 seconds.
22 seconds.
4-3. No good.
15. 10.
Wide open. 3. Yes, sir.
And on the first quarter, Roscoe 20 and 29. Meron pa ba? May 4 lang siya.
Yan pa tayong seconds pa. We have 4 seconds remaining. 29-20.
91.
3, 2, Santos 4-3. Short. End of the first quarter, official score 29-20 in favor of the Jaguar basketball. Ayan.
Nainip na uwi na siya.
Sila.
Alright, back to the ball
Jason
game.
Jaguars. Okay, nasa loob na si Darius Riqueza.
Ewan ko lang kung matatandaan ako ng cameraman nun. Cameraman nun.
Hey.
Takbo ka na doon sa gitna.
Number 11.
Alright,
Chidoro from the downtown.
Yussi Douglas, Paichedoro, 3. Try natin mag-ship mamaya ng Smart.
Number 2.
Babawi, wala. And rebound.
Darius Riqueza.
Requesa,
To number 11, wide open shot.
in and out.
And Chidoro.
Chodoro, Yussi Douglas.
Ganito, dyan naglalaro. Sa amin, ayaw oh. Ay, dito.
Nakakadya ka na.
Kamay.
Floater miss.
Chubar.
Dyan naglalaro. Sa amin, ayaw oh. Oh, balang!
Riqueza setting the play.
Balong, 4-3, no good.
Cover down number 11, Marquez. Sakahin ko ba sa bitawan? Number 2, setting the play.
22-34 tayo.
Wide open shot. Oh, 3. And Riqueza. Using the glass.
Requesa.
Batang kabayanan. Number 25. Chubar.
Basket is good. 36-24.
16. Number 11.
Espino, no good.
Number 2, knocking the basket. Pull up J on number 2. Yes, sir.
Basket.
Meron pa po tayo ng second game. Riqueza. 16 Rivera. 10 seconds to shoot.
Chodoro to
Yes,
Marquez.
sir.
38-26.
Wait, to number 10. May sumabit. Foul number 16. First personal foul. And a first team foul.
Kami dadaan. Bukas nga kaya. Ano lang? Parang hindi ka kami dadaan doon.
Shooting 2.
Sige na, tapos na tayo.
Basket 1.
Ayaw mo basketball ah.
Second shot.
Time remaining 7 minutes and 19 seconds.
Bakal. Riqueza recovered the ball. Marquez. 16. And
And 1 for Rivera.
At may kasamang foul on number 21.
40-27 in favor pa rin sa Jaguar basketball. One shot for Rivera.
Number 10 committed first personal foul. First team
Miss.
foul.
Ano laro?
Nakakabalik naman, no?
Number 2.
Wide open.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
na
Number
yes
three.
for 3.
Sayang pa. Ito na kay Chidoro. Riqueza. Solid on number 2. Sino kaya mag-uwi ng unang panalo din sa ating opening? Then second to shoot. Down to 5.
And that's a 3 seconds violation.
Yat si Bao naman! Tay, yat si Bao naman, Tay!
Chidoro.
Chodoro for 3. In and out.
And then number 2. Behind the back. What a pass.
Drop pass. No.
Wala din ang 25
Kick out. Jump shot. In and out again. Another offensive rebound for Brusco. Miss. Pati sa makakuha na ng Jaguar. Oy, Marquez. Wala.
Asa na?
Ang laki na. Espino. Jump shot. No. And rebound. Yes, sir.
Number 21. Siguro, tumarkes.
What a pass.
Yes,
Oh, sis. Bahia Chodoro to Marquez. The connection pa.
21.
Former San Juan National High School players. Oh, there's a foul. Bahia Riqueza.
A foul on number 8, Riqueza. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 12 seconds.
Basket one.
Ay, malakas sa signal.
Okay, stop rep. Ay, akin na.
34-42. Napasession na po. Tingnan natin magka-adjust tayo mamaya.
Boss X.
Makakalit yung pangat nyo.
Jebang! Pasok ka na daw! Sabi ni boss!
May connect ba yan? May connection? Wi-Fi?
Wala
nga.
Marquez. Black.
Lalim na kukunin. Lalim na kukunin. Coach Paul.
Cover na number 2.
Malakas yung Wi-Fi?
Magandang gabi po sa ating mga kapulisan. Number 2, 4, 3, 4!
Chodoro. No good.
Dito to, ni Chidoro. 42-37, number 2, pull up J. Using the glass, put back. Time out. Jaguars. Malis ko natin, 39-42. Binabaan sa tatlo.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Madumog nga dapat si Price eh. Mabait si Price. Mabait si Price. Ah, ito mabait din
Okay naman, di ba? Malakas ba signal ng Wi-Fi? Boss, malakas yung signal ng Wi-Fi. Si Saret pala to.
Itang ina.
Idol. Next game kayo?
Hindi, wala kang next week pa.
Ah, malakas yung Wi-Fi. Napuputol-putol ako. First time ko kasi dito mag-live.
Hindi ko alam eh. Kanina malakas dito dito, malakas dito.
Ano mas maganda? Smart PM kasi ako.
Globe.
Oh, Globe. Hindi, Globe gamit ko. Puputol-putol talaga dito. Pero bumabalik naman eh. Oh. Anyway,
Try
sige.
mo na lang.
Ah, Globe talaga, no? Hindi na akong papalit kung
Ano
Globe.
ba kasim mo pa?
PM.
45 seconds to play.
Oh.
Dito, wala kang dito. Dito, mabilis dito.
Pull up J. Jaguars.
Okay, okay lang. Okay naman, nakakabalik naman ako. Nakamonitor ako. Okay na siguro, DM nga.
And number 7, number 2. Charlie Company.
Bounce pass.
10 seconds to shoot. Down to 5.
4-3. Rebound by Jaguar. Steal.
21. Number 21. Number 2. And now. And ulit. Uy, ginagin na.
Uy.
2 points.
Ayun na, nakahabol na agad.
Sakbayan.
Oh, Marquez with the easy 2 points. Nakahabol na rin pala agad ang Brusco Brothers.
Ito na. Asa na yung number 2? Ay, lalo. Ganda ng pasa. Down to 5. 2 points. Walang Marquez. Okay, may isang player tayo.
Oo, apat lang sila sa loob.
May foul. Skyward, bangan.
Kasi yung magagawa, laki yung sa akin.
Marquez for 3. Number 2. Ganda ng full movement nito.
Bang! Ayun na, isa na lang. 46-45.
45. Jaguar.
Oopsie, out of bounds.
Orange tayo, nawakan nyo.
Ayan. Pasensya po at minsan talaga naglolo ko, pero okay yung TM daw dito.
Release time 2 minutes 27 seconds here in the second quarter.
Catch and shoot! Basket! 2 points lang daw po. Sabi natin official change favor. Lamang na ang Bruscos. Chodoro wide open. No. There's a foul. Chodoro.
Number 19. First personal foul. And the third team foul.
2 minutes and 5 seconds remaining para sa ating first half. Lamang na ang Brusco Bros.
Wait yung nga.
Nasa sa corner, 4-3.
1 minute 50 seconds left. Lazaro. Yes, sir.
Basket for Lazaro. Balik ang kalamangan sa Jaguars. Stop and pump, short. And out of bounds.
48, 47,
1 minute and 31 seconds.
13 seconds.
Chodoro. Running shot, no good. Rebound ng Bruscos. Ayan na, dere-derecho. Basket. Hinatake ang depensa ni Marquez. Chodoro. Pabawi rito. Block.
And a foul number.
But there's a foul.
25.
Number 25.
First personal foul. And the second team foul, Chodoro. Shooting two.
Chodoro, Tate on the free throw area. First shot, miss.
Yan natin second shot.
Second shot for Chodoro. It's a bank shot. Coming from the team captain, Tate Chodoro. Tabla tayo sa 49.
Number 10.
Last two.
Number 10.
Handoff. Kick out, fake, fade away, in and out.
Wide open shot.
Bam! 2 points for Bruscos. Out of bounds. Last 42 seconds.
Seconds to shoot. Lazaro. Ay
Foul.
A foul number 25.
Foul number
Second
25.
personal foul. And the 13 fouls by the Brusco brothers. And Lazaro shooting two.
Lazaro shooting for 2.
Makakagulo yung unang tira. Yan natin, second shot.
Second shot, no. Last 39 seconds.
Charlie Company, back to number 21.
Running shot, no good.
8 seconds to shoot.
Handoff.
Long
4-3, no good. Rebound by Paolo.
Number 17.
Outlet pass to Banga.
full of
Stop
shape.
at pop, in and out.
And Lazaro.
Pinasa corner, wide open for three. And that's the end of our first half.
May 2 seconds pa. Orange tayo, orange.
Nag-auto?
Hindi, natatahan lang yung ano. Hindi, pinto bigla eh.
Oh, minto talaga siya. Alright, may 2 seconds pa.
Abot ka kanina yan.
Dito na po, nagtatapos ang ating first
End of the second quarter. Run score.
first half, 51-49 in favor of
Brusco Brothers.
the Bruscos brothers. Kakat mo tayo for the meantime at magbabalik for second half.